Azt hittem, hogy repülünk. Persze, hogy repülünk. Mi folyik itt, Toki? Hol vagyunk? És mikor? 2015-ben. 2015-ben? Akkor ez most a jövő?
I'm a superstructure about to bust and cause a rupture. I'm insane, man. Like a supersonic, iconic, blood tonic for your brain, man. You should run to the rock or run to the sea. Maybe even go around the block running from me. Cause I'll find you. Yes, I'll find you. You can sit on the fence and yakety yak or step to my face and try to attack. I'll grind you. I just grind you. Cause I got these horns, funky tones, and the big bad boys in the back here singing, come and give it to me. Ow. And I ride that breeze like a buzzing bee, singing, ain't nobody got a thing on me, but I'll stick it to you if you're bothering me. You really want come try me, be cool, cause I'm dangerous. Nobody can rock you like we do. Don't fight the bus. Write your own story, you choose. Just stay with us. I know that this might be what you're looking for.
Szuperszónikus extravaganza, intergalaktikus rap az a napra. Ehhez konyítunk, velem a banda. Az én nevem Bad Motherfucker. Instrumentális extázis, experimentális rap várít. A beaten tekázik a verbális fázis. Hájri Mafia elcsábít már is. Harsognak a trombiták, nektek visít a rockgitár. Na mi az idő? Ez nem csalás, nem ámítás. Most a színpadon, akit látsz, az a busa pityú.
You really want